Rejuvenation Center, been open for 20 years now here, and of course we've got centers in many states and a lot of different centers. We have 20 some open now, and probably about 25 more scheduled to open this year. So 22 years ago, I got in a crash in my race car. I raced, well, at the time I was racing NASCAR stock cars, right?
Okay.
And I had a bad crash at Phoenix International Raceway. I was cut out with the jaws of life. I was airlifted to a trauma center, and I was in a coma for a while. And when I came out of the coma, the first thought I had is, I wish I had died. I was just wore out. I was tired, aches and pains all over my body, and just, I had a little bit of depression. And I really I didn't know what was going on with me. And I just was kind of at a point where I just felt like I didn't really want to experience another 20, 30 years of the way I was feeling. I decided at that moment that since I survived, my life was going to become about finding a way to feel amazing every day, right? So that's how it all started. When I got out of the hospital, I started doing blood tests to find out what kind of things were going on. I did every kind of blood test you could do on a living human being. So I found an endocrinologist from Europe that was going to be teaching American physicians about hormones. So I paid to be educated at his class because I just wanted to learn and find out maybe what was going on with me, right? So I trained as a physician, even though I wasn't one. I just wanted to learn, right? So I went to his seminars, and after extensive education in this arena, I figured out that, this was a very treatable thing. In Europe, they treat hormone deficiencies all the time. So I decided, since there was no place to go, of course, it was difficult, but I ended up getting hormones and treating the deficiencies that I had. Within 3 weeks, I felt so much better that I realized that if I'm this good, this much better in 3 weeks, what's possible? And I thought, if hormones are this powerful, there must be just so much more. I basically made the transition from my construction business into this world. I decided that I was going to go ahead and open up a center here in West LA, and that I was going to eventually duplicate it and have it go all around the United States, so that there would always be opportunities for people to be able to get help in this arena, right? So it started about hormones, and then I got people feeling a lot better. And then they said, well, we want to look young too, right? So it was after about 7 years of hormones only, I decided I had to add more services. I had to make people look and feel young, not just feel young. Because, people want it all. They just, why not? If I feel this good, why not look younger too, right? But I think it's fun and exciting, turning back the clock, regenerating yourself, and heck, if you're gonna be on this earth, why not look and feel young and have amazing energy? And so I love our industry. I love what we do, and there's so many new things coming out that are just making this such a great business.